Africa, Yedu, blessed land. In the beginning, the cradle of mankind, Africa, Yedu. The treasure we find from Egypt pyramids to great Zimbabwe stone. Magamba, Edu, our heroes well known. The Sahara gold and Kilimanjaro high. Victoria Falls, Matongi, waters reach the sky. Serengeti plains where the lion them roam. Africa, Yedu, this are we true home. Nika Yedu, Yakanaka, can't you see? From Cape Town to Cairo, we living free. Bob Marley sing it, Africa unite. Vanuvedu, we must get it right. Africa, Yedu, Africa, Yedu, Africa. Our Africa, Nika Yakanaka blessed by Jaja. Africa, Yedu, Africa, Yedu, Africa, Yedu. One love, one heart, Zimbabwe to Ghana, Mother Africa, Nika Yemudzimu. Land of ancestors, from the east to the west, Warrior Kakomborera. God has blessed it, Africa, Yedu, Africa, Yedu. Good vibes flowing, positive energy. Mandela walked the long road to freedom. Kwame Nkrumah really need them. Patrice Lumumba, revolutionary soul. Thomas Sankara, breaking colonial control. Haile Selassie, the Lion of Judah. Vanuatu Simba, we go father and father. Chimurenga spirit running through with vein. Africa rising, breaking every chain. The Ubuntu philosophy, humanity first. Rudo Pamochete, quench the thirst. Inna the village, elders teach the youth. Africa, Yedu, foundation of truth. Africa, Yedu, Africa, Yedu. Our Africa, Nika Yakanaka blessed by Jaja. Africa, Yedu, Africa, Yedu, Africa, Yedu. One love, one heart, Zimbabwe to Ghana, Mother Africa, Nika Yemudzimu. From the east to the west, Maria Kakomborera. Africa, Yedu, Africa, Yedu. Good vibes flowing, positive energy. Listen to the drums, Vanozidza. Ancient wisdom none can breach. Baobab trees standing 1,000 years. Vanuvedu, wipe away the tears. Congo forest breathing life in the air. Nile river flowing, showing Jakir. From Timbuktu libraries full of knowledge deep. Africa, Yedu, this heritage we keep. The soil so rich, Munawedu grow strong. Maize and millet, sorghum all along. Vanu Shanda, hands in the earth. Africa feeding nation, showing we true worth. Marley voice, echo redemption song. Africa, Yedu, we've been patient so long. No more division, tribalism must cease. Rugara and unity, that's the only release. In the market, am I selling with pride? Draination a cloth, culture can't hide. Young generation, Tarambere with hope. Africa rising, we're learning to cope. Gold in a Ghana, diamonds in a Sierra Leone. Oil in a Nigeria, copper in a we own. Resources plenty, but Zima left with blessed. Now it's time for Africa, show we very best. Fela Kuti music, Miriam Makeba song. Lucky Dube teach we right from wrong. Oliver Mtukuti, Thomas Mafumotu. Africa, Yedu, the culture running true. In the sunshine, Vanna playing free. Laughing and dancing under baobab tree. This are the Africa the world needs to see. Love and unity from sea to shining sea. Africa, Yedu, Africa, Yedu, full Africa. Africa, Yakanaka, Nika Yakanaka blessed by Jaja. One Africa, one people. Africa, Yedu, Africa, Yedu. From north to south, one heart, Zimbabwe to Ghana. Mother Africa, Nika Yemudzimu. Ancestors land, cyclic from the east to the west, Maria Kakomborera. Jah bless Africa. Africa, Yedu, Africa, Yedu. Good vibes, positive energy. So when them try to tell you Africa is poor, tell them about the richness, culture and more. 54 nations, different but the same. Africa, Yedu, we all share the name. Diaspora children, wherever you roam, remember Africa, that's your true home. One love philosophy, Marley showed the way. Africa unite, starting from today. Teach Batana, we will hand in a hand, building new Africa, prosperous land. No more corruption, leaders must be true. Africa, Yedu, this one's for you. Africa, Yedu.